Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and today I'd like to show you how to make these nice good pancakes on the sticks. Very delicious, easy to do. Follow them along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open these up and we're going to cook these. Okay, we're going to put them on like this. And the thing about cooking quite a bit of them like this is you can always have them later on, like in the morning, like for breakfast, instead of cooking, just warm them up in the microwave and they're good to go. Anyways, we're going to cook these right now and come back. Okay, we're done with this right now. Now we're just going to pick this up, put this in here. Get a bit of in here. Okay, first thing you want to add is a half a cup of our self-rising flour, and then a half a cup of coconut flour, and then you want to add 2 tablespoons of splenda or regular sugar. This is what I use. It's better for your. Okay, the next thing you want to add is you want to put in 1 large egg, and then you want to add in 2 tablespoons of canola oil, and we'll be right back. Okay, the next thing you want to add in is you want to add in some coconut milk. You want to add in half a tablespoon. Okay. Okay, next thing we want to do, we're going to blend this together. Now, if it's ain't as thick as if it's too thin or too thick, we're going to add more milk. Another thing I wanted to add to this was I was going to add a little bit of chocolate chips. You can do like me, use sugar-free chocolate chips. Hershey's. Not too much. Or just a little, like that. You don't want to over-dominate it with. Okay, right now we got this, we're putting this to the stick. And I'm going to put this one right here, kind of like you would a corn dog. I like to get them all the way through there as possible, like that. Okay, next, if you don't have no paper towel, what you want to do is kind of damp some flour on it, and it'll get rid of that greasiness of it, best you can anyways. Just roll it around in flour just like you would with hot dogs, and it will take care of that problem pretty quick. Look at that, see? That's pretty dry. Alright, we're getting the grease already, trying to warm this up. I don't know if it's ready yet, but it's getting close. We already got a cup here. We got our stick inside, just letting it sit there. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to put this into the batter. Just let it set in there. You'll come back in a minute. Okay, we're done with this one right here. Take a look at that. We're going to do more than this. We're going to put this over here to drain. Take a look at that right there. That is some nice, good. See that? That is nice. That is very, very nice right there. Wow. we're going to do a taste test on this. Take a look at that. Look at these. These are very delicious, I'm telling you. Nice, good syrup, sugar free. Butterworth syrup. That is so delicious. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you ain't already, and hit that bell so you don't miss a notification. And I will see y'all next time.